If you're seeing a Framer error and you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through a simple, practical fix process step by step. We'll open the project, check the error and warning indicators, and then go through the most common issues like broken links, missing assets, custom code problems, and font errors. By the end, you'll know how to quickly identify what's causing the issue and get your Framer project working again. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into Framer and fix the error. First, open Framer and then open the project that's showing the problem. Once your project is loaded, look at the top bar for the error or warning icon. This is the fastest way to see whether Framer has detected anything that needs attention. Click that icon and Framer will show you a list of the current issues inside the project. If there are multiple errors, go through them one by one so you can understand exactly what is broken. Now let's look at the most common errors you might run into. If the issue is a broken link, select the element that contains the link. That could be a button, a text link, an image, or any clickable element in your layout. Once you have selected it, update the link to the correct destination or remove it completely if you no longer need it. Broken links are one of the most common reasons a Framer project throws an error, so it's always worth checking those first. If the problem is a missing asset such as an image or video that no longer appears, you'll need to upload that file again. Sometimes an asset gets deleted, moved, or disconnected from the project, and Framer can't find it anymore. Re-uploading the missing image or video usually clears that issue right away. After uploading, check the page again to confirm the asset is loading properly. If the error is coming from custom code, go into settings, then open custom code. From there, review any scripts you've added to the project. Look carefully for typos, invalid snippets, or code that no longer works. If you don't need that script anymore, remove it. If you do need it, fix the code and save your changes. Custom code errors can affect your project more than you might expect, so always double check this section when Framer shows a warning. If the issue is related to fonts, select the text element that's triggering the problem. Then choose a valid font from the font settings. Sometimes the font fails to load or the project is referencing a font that isn't available. Switching to a supported font can quickly solve the problem and restore the correct appearance of your text. As you work through each issue, refresh or preview the project so you can confirm the error is gone. It's a good habit to fix one problem at a time and then check the result because that makes it easier to spot what actually solved the issue. If the warning icon still shows after one fix, move on to the next item in the list until everything is cleared. So to recap, open your Framer project, click the error or warning icon, review each issue, and then fix the most common causes: broken links, missing assets, custom code errors, and font issues. Once you've gone through those steps, your Framer project should be much easier to manage and much more stable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stick around for more Framer and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.